In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Outlook 365, a handy tip that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working in a multilingual environment studying a new language, or simply need to switch to your preferred language, knowing how to adjust your Outlook settings is a valuable skill. So let's dive right into it and ensure you can navigate through your email with ease, no matter which language you need. First, the journey starts by heading over to the Outlook login page. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Microsoft 365 Outlook. Once there, you'll find yourself on the familiar Outlook sign-in page. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials, and this will give you access to your Outlook account. After successfully signing in, you'll land on the Outlook main page, which is typically your mail inbox. Here, you'll want to locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by a small gear symbol, commonly situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal the settings menu, which can appear as a pane or drop down menu depending on the view. Now within the settings menu, look for an option labelled View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the menu. This is where you'll find more detailed settings options. After you click on this, a new window will appear with various setting categories listed on the side. You're now in the settings interface, so what you're going to do next is click on General. Under the General category, you will notice a list of subcategories. One of these subcategories will be labelled Language and Time, which is the section we need to access for this task. Once you're in the language and time settings, you'll see options to change your language preference along with the time zone and date format settings that best suit you. Click on the drop down menu next to Language. Here, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of languages to choose from. Once you find the language you need, simply click to select it. After you've selected your preferred language, you'll need to confirm the change by clicking on Save. This Save button is generally located at the bottom of the settings panel. Outlook might take a moment to apply these changes, and you may notice a brief refresh as the new language takes effect throughout your interface. Once this brief update is done, your Outlook will be displayed in the language you've selected, making it much easier for you to work efficiently in the language of your choice. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language settings in Outlook 365. This change can be especially helpful if you're collaborating with team members from various regions, or simply wish to view your emails in a language you're more comfortable with. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.